Hello everybody, welcome to another Poverty Hill Adventures video. The National Weather Service has issued a lake effect snow warning, and what that means is they are predicting a total snow accumulation of 2 to 3 feet in the most persistent lake snows. The heaviest snow is expected about 24 hours from now, and then it will extend through, it looks like the following day. And it says here that by time it's all over, we should expect up to 4 feet is possible if the main snow band is slower and doesn't move out of the area. Wind gusting up to 35 miles an hour. It says that travel will be very difficult to impossible. They may be closing some major roadways. So they're warning everybody. You wouldn't know it right now. You look out here, it's about 40 degrees and just wet. There's no snow, but this is what they're predicting, and I thought it would be fun to kind of just keep tabs on the storm. Currently, of course, the storm has not started yet. There is no snow on the ground and just gray, cloudy skies. Predicted storm is now less than 8 hours away. We still haven't received any snow. It's a little breezy, but the sun is out. And let me give you the latest from the National Weather Service. The latest for where we're at right now is heavy lake effect snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 feet in the most persistent lake snows. The heaviest snow is expected late this evening through Friday, when the snowfall rates could exceed 3 inches per hour. Winds gusting to 35 miles an hour will produce patchy blowing snow. It says here, travel will be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact Friday morning and evening commute, which doesn't matter to me anymore because I'm retired. One benefit. The heavy snow could also bring down some trees and cause power outages. So stay tuned. We'll see what this storm amounts to. Just as the National Weather Service predicted, the snow has started. It has started within just a few minutes of when they said it would. The intensity right now is rather light. It's not. It's probably snowing maybe, at this rate, maybe an inch an hour. We're supposed to start getting close to 3 or more inches per hour later when it picks up. Well, it's been snowing for, I don't know, a couple of hours now, and it's starting to pick up in intensity. And we have probably, I don't know, maybe, it's hard to tell. It's blowing around a little bit, but I'd say we probably have about maybe 3 to 5 inches on the ground right now. It's getting late, and I'm going to go rest up because I got a feeling tomorrow's going to be a work day. I'm going to have to clear a lot of snow tomorrow, so I'll check in later on. Well, it's really starting to come down heavy, It's I don't know what time it is. It's maybe midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. Conditions are getting pretty nasty out here right now. We have it's got to be well over a foot of snow on the ground, and as you can see, it's not letting up. Hey everybody, it's daylight, and the snow has lessened considerably. Now, since the storm started, we got about 18 inches. So about that much snow has fallen overnight in less than 12 hours time. But the good news is it looks like the lake band has shifted some. The National Weather Service is predicting that it's going to come back later on and dump more on us. So that is a typical lake effect snow event. So by the time this is all over in a couple of days' time, we're probably going to look at a 3+ foot snow accumulation from bare ground to 3+ feet. But right now, that is what we got overnight. Until next time, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your snow shovel handy.